What's happening, everybody? My name is Lee Bartow, and today we're going to work on a roasted asparagus dish that's going to make people at your next dinner party smile. What do you mean make them smile? How the heck are you supposed to make people smile with asparagus? Yes, it's going to make them smile. Like, in other words, their belly is going to be very excited for it, and they're going to smile because it's delicious.
Say. Like asparagus is going to make people really super happy.
Man, now that he's at least gone, let's get upstairs and let's work this recipe out. Alright guys, now that we've made it up into the kitchen, let's get right into this recipe. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make some prosciutto wrapped asparagus along with a caprese salad. Time to gather our ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil, balsamic reduction, cracked black pepper, asparagus, vine ripe tomatoes, fresh lemon zest, fresh basil, prosciutto ham, dry Italian herb blend, kosher salt, sliced whole milk mozzarella cheese, and grated Parmesan cheese. Let's trim and peel our asparagus. You want to trim off about 2.5 inches at the base of the asparagus. That part's a little bit more woody. And now you're going to take your peeler and you're going to go about halfway up into the middle and you're going to peel that. So that way it exposes the inner texture. Well, now that our asparagus is cleaned and trimmed, let's roll them up in some prosciutto and reserve them off to the side. And now, with the beauty of video magic, abracadabra. Now let's get them trayed up evenly on a lightly olive-oiled pan. Season it with a little bit of salt, some Italian dry herbs, cracked black pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Also, don't forget to drizzle a little bit more of that extra virgin olive oil over the top. Now place them in a 400-degree oven and bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now that our asparagus is getting happy in the oven, let's go ahead and prep our tomatoes for our caprese salad. You want to slice them with a serrated knife about 1/4 inch thick. Now when you get close to the end, if you don't feel comfortable, there is another method. You want to turn the end over on its flat side and cut across it. Let's start our salad plating. Go ahead and hit it with the balsamic drizzle. Then you want to start off with your cheese and basically create a stack. Tomato, basil, salt. Tomato, basil, salt. And repeat. Now once your asparagus has been in for about 8 to 10 minutes, you should smell that nutty cooked Parmesan cheese. Glorious. Now place your asparagus onto your plate with your salad. Hit it with a little fresh lemon zest, some cracked black pepper, a little bit more extra virgin olive oil, and grated Parmesan cheese. Now I know it's just asparagus, but when you taste this, your belly is going to do one giant smile. Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you'd like to see any of my other videos, click the link right up in here. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, there'll be a link right up over here. And then as well, all the ingredients that we just covered in this recipe will be in the description down below. Thanks again, and keep cooking with style. Alright, I gotta give it to him. This asparagus is pretty delicious. But just wait till the next video. I'm coming back and I'm making something that's gonna top even his.